Welcome back to the Mix, lovelies and friends, and thank you so much for making it the Mix this morning. And so on the Mix we have Maxine, and Maxine is talking to. She's making this video for the landlord Erica. No, I'm not really sure what's going on between her and Erica, but she's making a personal video to Erica to tell her to stop bothering her. No, as you know, Maxine has been in this little saga with almost everyone, including Miss D, Lady V, Chris, and others. And so today she's talking about landlord, the Erica, the landlord. She's saying to leave her alone, and she's making this video personal just for that matter. So I'm gonna go watch the video now, and remember to like, share, comment, and channel.
I'm making this video for Erica the landlord.
Okay.
Because since you so want me to call her name individually, I'm going to do it.
Hey.
Erica,
Good news.
you cannot talk to me no day, no time, or nothing. Erica, if you want to start up back your charity, come start up back your charity. Cause, and honest to God, you were doing perfectly good when you were doing your charity. When you weren't minding people's business. When you weren't so busy telling lies on me. You were doing perfectly fine. And I would imagine, I'm being very decent with you right now, because I'm so pissed off that I don't even want to cuss your little dirty nasty ass. You understand? Even when all your lies were surrounded by Lorraine and Ashanti, and even with everything that busts out right now, me not expect better from you, because you're dumb, you're dunce, you're illiterate, and you're dark. Because with everything that happens and everything comes out where Lorraine fabricate every God Almighty thing, it's like in a competition for tell lie. From Dana start with the lie, it's like all alone in a competition with Dana to see who can tell the best lies. Enough for you already, Erica. Erica, me, you don't have nothing. Like literally nothing. You just pick up my business by your head and run with it. And then you go, they hide your hand behind you. They go do like you are a victim or nobody came out at you. Nobody came out at you. You're just too fucking jumpy. And in everybody's business. There's a few stuff that I want to address with you. You should have been coming out right now to say, Maxine, I'm sorry for all the lies that we told on you, on your family. You're still there being wrong and strong. If you want, come out, come beg your people them. Come beg your people them. Nobody not stop you from beg. Every time me open my mouth is like, you're just upon me. Me know you're bad mind and grudgeful all along. I know that. But enough is enough already. Enough for you. Where you come from now, for they come talk. And none of my stuff that I'm playing are me taping anybody. Charmaine leave all of those messages on my phone. There's no my side, her side, or nothing like that. She just left them on there. And yes, I decided to play them. Because Charmaine, they walk on everybody's platform and chat bullshit just like you did. Just like you did, just like Lorraine did, just like everyone did. I'm not playing no victim here with nobody. I'm just here to spit my truth. How you get into the middle of this now? How is it that, oh, are you the beg and you the this and you the that? Nobody not talking to you. Did anybody address you in my video? Did anybody address you? You play me video and you talk and you do yourself and you go on with yourself. Your thing that you should have been doing right now is come out and say, Maxine, I'm sorry for all the lies that I told on you. See, Lori and people them come out and chat everything what they fi chat. All know I've not been in a group. You say, oh, me in a group and me come fi come this, me come fi come that. Erica, when I gave you the $100, I gave it to you because you were over there begging like a fucking baby. Begging. And say you don't have none drawers and you have to use t-shirt and soap your drawers them. I could have sent you 10 dozen. I could have sent you 10 dozen. No go class me with the other rest of people them who me now this a group me now that a group me do this me do that. I didn't do nothing what you said I did. I didn't do nothing at all. And it's high time that all I wanna stop trying to lie. We don't get busted. All I wanna get busted. You know, sister, the whole I wanna get busted. One little piece of paper bun and the whole I wanna get busted. You come at me, you come at my kids and everything. I never go at your kids. I never go at your kids until you come at mine. You try remember that and go look feet if you can. Because all of you have evidence, you have proof and all of that, and yet for all no can't come up with nothing. You know, just like in a competition with me and Dana and stuff like that. You know, go ahead. I'm not in no competition with none of you know. What you know about even me? What you know? I forgot the lies that you told. Even on the video, you criticizing my video and you're there telling lies on there. Like literally telling lies. Me and Charmaine is not cousin. Me and Charmaine Ranger is not cousin. I don't know the woman. So go clear it up, Erica, you too lie. Erica, you too lie. I don't care if Curly and Alice are one cousin. Me and Charmaine is nothing. We're not family, we're not friends, we're not nothing. So you try, go tell the people them the truth. Me and Charmaine can from be cousin. In what video, whatever you hear, we say we cousin. When are we cousins? Erica, it's high time for you stop. If you want come out, come beg and start up back your cooking and do whatever you want to do. It's your business. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Just don't call my name. Period. After all that Lauren did and everything got busted where Lauren is concerned, I would think you would stop. Why are you still going on and on and on about it? You play me whole entire tape and you say whatever you want to say. Stop lie. You are a liar. You, Lauren, Ashanti, Donna, all of you need to put in a one barrel and light a fire. You two lie. Donna start the lie. Lauren, Ashanti, you, all of you just pick it up. I would think after cartoon come out and say everybody they carry liar story to Lauren and stuff like that, that you would have like just at least quit. At least stop. You're still the one. I've never slept with my son-in-law. Never ever in my life. I never said anything about Lauren and her kid or grandkid until they come at me. Don't you hear the people them say it? Why you still going at it? Why you try making $1 off of everything that I said? I know me alone the beg, you the beg. The whole of the beg worse than me. At least me there Jamaica no have it. I mean I'm afraid to say me don't have it. If me want food, me want food. If me want anything, I come out and I ask for it. I don't care. But why the whole of them make it look like I see me alone the beg? Enough for Uno already. No, you damn God, me can't put food on the wall on the table. Because I made put food on the table. I am literally putting food on the table. How you go come out and come tell the people them say me and Charmaine a cousin? When me and Charmaine a cousin? I'm not in no group with nobody. Me and nobody paying no friend. Because I see what food no friendship mean. But it's high time for the whole of to stop now. Everything bust out. Say every fake story that was told, both on me and Donna, what Lauren come out with is a lie. And you all realize it's a lie. So why can't you all stop now? Why you shouldn't they come out and do and say, oh no, sorry? Instead of they strengthen it and they put oil in it and they make it look like I say it's true. It's already dead. You're gonna blaze it more? The fire dead. The fire out down and dead. Not throw no more oil in it for blaze it up. The whole of no should shut them out and come off of social media. When you talk about me must come off of social media, me not come off there until me done clear my name. Because all you do is come out and they tell lie. Lie. That's all you do. Enough already. My God Almighty, when you don't stop. You don't hear say, you don't hear Charmaine said, up them plan. These are the people them that plan and say, oh Omar, when they come, if you come go dirt, Lauren and Maryland. You don't hear the tape them. You still they go on with them? You still they wrong and strong? My God, I have never seen this in my life. You just want to be relevant. Nobody see you, nobody no care. Because now that Lauren Tory come out, you shouldn't stop now. You shouldn't stop now. Every time Ashanti open his mouth, it's a lie. Some plan up story. Every time you open your mouth, some play up. You talk about, oh, your camp is the truth. Your camp is this. Your camp is surrounded lies. All the lies that you told on me, but you get from over Lorraine, you would have think you'd have opened your mouth and said, no, but nobody open your mouth, literally, though. Don't literally open your mouth. Can your mouth look up in a ass mouth? Do not open your mouth. But when you're gonna say anything, Lauren get busted for all the lies them she told. Both Palmy, Dana, all of the people them what she telling us.